Chuck. You dickhead. I bust it. That's the start of the video right there. What, is he just chilling in the heat?
Well, he's just...
Look at his belly though.
Oh, bless him. Is he not very well?
I think he's just a bit hot
Hot?
and confused.
Oh, bless him.
Is that how donkey's bellies are?
Yeah, he's probably just...
Yeah.
Like he's holding something.
Probably had a...
Probably needs to...
Oh, bless him. Wait. Hot, isn't it, fam?
Yeah, he's hiding.
Watch that wing. Ooh. Oh, that's close. Coldest man. Yeah, he's got 360 camera, so oh, he's busting it. Cardo gang. Yeah, we're good. Let's have it. No chaps. Let them come way up, Rab, because they got to wait for them cars. Mo ain't got no any car, don't have. This area's buff, isn't it? Hey. Hey. I swear that's near them. Oh, and he's like, yeah, it's mad hot today, chaps. Yeah, that's what I mean. Just pull up 1 sec. So I don't know what they're doing. Chuck. You dickhead. I bust it. That's the start of the video right there. Still no sign of them, D. Oh, sweet, let's go. Yeah, rolling. Hey, try your brakes. Yeah, I've got some. Yeah, make sure they're not squeaking, cuz. Well, this is a well nice area, isn't it? I live in the wrong place. Brother, no, I live in the wrong place. No camping, sir. Don't know. You got the nav. You got the nav. Back here tomorrow with Captain. Where now? What? Just in front of where you done a wheelie? Mad thing! Oh, parked on the left. Oh, seen. But you just stole your thing, yeah? Nice, darling. Oh, it's nothing but beef right now. Bro, what are you doing? Bipping. Find somewhere to park in the shade as well. Go. Go on, rev it. You're a cunt, I swear, that's hilarious. I'm filming as well, that's jokes. That is jokes. She pooed herself. Whoa. Fam, watch out on the left ramp. You're an Aspo rider, fam. Nearly just got squashed by that other car as well, fam. Saying fucking find some shade if we can, because I could do a cooling the bike down, but obviously if we can't then whatever, but if not just head towards the fucking front. I'm sure we can find satin. Fuck that. See our diggy. Complete idiot dickhead. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I'm going up on the curb, rude boy. You're mad. Kick. Don't go behind me because I'm... In VRs, the bikes are all getting hot and we need them to fucking cool down, so this is the only shade we can find. Yeah, squeeze it in there. Can hear me then? Can hear me now, innit? Can hear me? D! Oi, D! Go on, boys. Ciao. The S31 race. Goddy. Bumpy. Yeah. And it's bumpy. Everyone's looking at your bike ramp. Fucking hell. What do you do? What do you do? Just pull up? Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Lord have mercy. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's probably the difference. Yeah, that's what it is. It's probably trying to take you round, and if we're on the car route, we're going to go straight up the motorway, but we're going to get through the traffic anyway, aren't we? So yeah, what's the bike route saying? 2 hours, 10 minutes quicker. Yeah, 2 hours. Go on, Mo. What, is he directly on the back of us? Yeah, and see if it looks like I'll middle them.